When a person prays to Allah Almighty and asks for His help by giving Him the means of good deeds done sincerely, then Allah Almighty accepts his supplication. As in Sahih al-Bukhari, there is a story of 3 men trapped in a cave. The Messenger of Allah, victory hand and blessings be upon him, said, "There is an incident before you people that 3 men were going somewhere. Suddenly rain came on them and they were forced to take shelter in a cave. Meanwhile, the mouth of the cave was closed on them, so they said to each other, 'By Allah, only the truth will save us from this trouble. Now let each person make a dua by describing any deed of his which he knows to be true,' so that each of them presented his good deed before Allah, which opened the mouth of the cave, and those 3 caves came out of." See the complete hadith on 3465 in Sahih al-Bukhari.